In this video, I will show you how to create a connection to a spreadsheet or database in your CODESOFT barcode label software. Creating a database connection is a great way to reduce manual data entry and make label printing easier and more accurate.
With a new or existing label open, go ahead and select Data Source, Database, Create Edit Query, or View, select Data Sources, right-click Database, and Create Edit Query. Go ahead and select New, Wizard, and the type of file you are using, whether it's Access or Excel. For this example, we'll be using Excel. Name your connection, and select Next. From here, you can browse to the file and click Open. Go ahead and test your connection. And select Finish. From here, you can select your database connection if it didn't automatically populate. Select your table and select the fields that you would want on the label. You can select them individually, or you can select all. You can save your query. And then from this screen with the Data Sources tab open, you can either click and drag the fields onto your label, or you can right-click, select Place, and place them on your label. Using these arrows, you can filter through to the next item. You can also go to your print menu, select the Database tab, and see all of the records in your database, and select them that way.
Connecting your CODESOFT barcode label software to your spreadsheet or database is an easy way to make creating and printing labels easier. Visit techlinks.com/CODESOFT to download a free 30-day trial.